Help is on the way for child care providers struggling to stay afloat. $34 million in grant money will support Pinellas County nonprofits and child care centers. ABC Action News reporter Wendy Lane looks at what this means for parents and why many say support like this is desperately needed.
My husband is a nurse and he works 12-hour shifts. I work from home.
Kylie Gutman says the teachers and staff who care for her two small children at Precious People Learning Center have been a lifeline for her family.
They were considered essential workers and they were expected to be there, but it's so much more than that.
Early learning and child care centers like Precious People are considered essential.
It makes it very difficult in life if these places aren't open.
Amy and Bobby Ori have two small boys. They say more attention should be given to child care and preschool programs where teachers and staff don't get the same kind of support and funding as schools.
Schools, no matter if they open or not, they're probably going to open eventually. A lot of these early learning centers might not have that opportunity.
That's why Pinellas County is partnering with the Early Learning Coalition of Pinellas County so that $4.6 million in grants will be available to help child care organizations that were negatively impacted by COVID-19.
It's long overdue. When the daycares were allowed to reopen, the learning centers could have kids come back. It was never talked about how those teachers were scared to return or what type of funding they had.
The grant will provide up to $10,000 for child care providers to cover wages, bills, and safety supplies. Parents say they're happy to see the county giving some support.
We're all in it together. And if we don't support each other, there's no one else out there to do the support for us.
In Pinellas County, Wendy Lane, ABC Action News.